Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna show you guys how I keep and maintain my braids. So I go to sleep, I put a bonnet on, and of course I wrap this area. So the first thing that I do, well, I suggest that all of you guys go to your local beauty supply store and get one of these nozzles. These nozzles make it so that you're allowed to get oil or any kind of product in between hard places, such as braids for sew-ins and wigs, and even cornrows and box braids too. So that's one thing. But with this nozzle, I'm gonna put it on my bottle of sulfur 8 for braid spray, and I'm just going to distribute it all in my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to take any kind of oil that you have, like in your bathroom closet or anything, and then I'm going to put another nozzle on top of it. So right now I'm just taking my B&B growth oil, and honestly I don't think they make this anymore. I think that company, Jamaican Lime and Mango, so I think that company bought B&B, Barnum & Brothers. But I'm just going to distribute that in my scalp area. Now I'm gonna go in with some Pump It Up spray, and if you guys don't have Pump It Up, you're lacking, but you can use any kind of spritz you want, and the spritz just helps tame the flyaways. I like to concentrate the spritz on the top half of my hair because that's where my natural hair actually is. I don't care if the hair down here has flyaways, that's expected. Last but definitely not least, because I swear this is, besides of course oiling your scalp, this is the second most important thing that we're going to use today, and it is Mousse by Vigorome. Yes, you can use this one or you can use the green one, the olive oil one, but it's completely up to you and it's completely your preference. Make sure you shake it first, and you can apply it in your hands or you can apply it directly onto your head. Mousse everything, including your edges, so you can have that baby hair, that natural baby hair look. Now, if you hear that water, that is the shower. I turned it on, and of course, even if you're not going to take a hot shower, I suggest you turn the heat all the way up so you can get as much steam in the bathroom as possible. And then with your gigantic shower cap, yeah, I told you, gigantic shower cap, like I'm about this hair life. I need these big things when I have like curly weave and stuff. Now, I don't wrap up my hair with the scarf and the bonnet that you seen originally when I that I wrap my hair when I go to sleep, because I want the steam to penetrate the hair and make sure that all the products and all the products penetrate all of my strands, and I want the steam to make sure that it's plentiful. So that's why I opt out of the cloth, just because I feel it's more material that the steam has to penetrate through, just so your hair can retain as much moisture as possible. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. It was finally a short one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And most importantly, share this video so everyone can figure out why you're always on your phone. Right. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll see you on the next one.